Following the Supreme Court's ruling, which was released last Monday, the legal team of Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA has determined that the decision concerning traffic enforcement in the National Capital Region is not yet final and executory. The ruling stated that enforcers from local government units or LGUs lack the authority to issue violation tickets to motorists, and the LGUs should adopt the single ticketing system crafted by the MMDA. MMDA clarified that enforcers from LGUs will still continue to issue violation ticket and they have 15 days to submit motion for reconsideration.
Sa ating po mga kababayan na motorista, kung kayo po ay huhulihin ng mga local traffic enforcers, wag po tayo makipagtalo at i-argue na sabi ng Korte Suprema ay bawal na kayong manghuli at mag-issue ng ticket dahil hindi pa nga po ito final and executory. So, sa ngayon, pwede pa po manghuli ang mga local traffic enforcers.
According to MMDA, their force is insufficient to cover the whole Metro Manila in apprehending erring motorists. They have only around 800 personnel who are trained to issue violation ticket. It is far less than the 8,000 personnel needed if they will deploy at least 500 enforcers in every LGU in Metro Manila.
Yung pong mga karsada na sa jurisdiction namin, including Mabuhay Lanes, hindi po namin kayang bantayan dahil napakahaba po niyan. So, kailangan po talaga namin ang tulong ng mga local traffic enforcers. And besides, mas alam po nila yan yung especially yung mga inner roads.
It will also be challenging for the MMDA to deputize traffic personnel as it will undergo trainings, seminars, and exam.
Kasi, syempre, kung magde-deputize kami, ide-delegate namin yung authority sa mga local traffic enforcers. So, we want to make sure din naman na qualified sila, may proper training probably, and alam nila yung kailangan nilang ipatupad na batas para maiwasan po yung pagtatalo, pagkakamali, and yung pag-aabuso.
Looking ahead, the MMDA will address these concerns in the upcoming Metro Manila Council meeting scheduled for next Tuesday. Among the agenda items will be the potential submission of a motion for reconsideration regarding the Supreme Court's decision. JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.